Hi, hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadar sir. Today we are going to learn about the different types of numbers, which is the more easiest and the most important concept and most basic concept. So let us see what are the different types of numbers. So here, as we know, we are learning the different types of numbers from our childhood. Different types of numbers. So in these different types of numbers, the first type is even and odd numbers. We know that even numbers are nothing but the numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called as even numbers. What is even numbers? Nothing but the number which is ending the number with these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are called even numbers. Example, see here we have an example 246. See, this number is ending with what? 6. And if you observe here, this is what? 6 is in which numbers? Even numbers. So 246 is now known as even numbers. Next take 312. See here, the number is ending with what? 2. So 2 is what? Even number. And next take 210. Here, if you observe, the number is ending with what? 0. So where the numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. Now let us move to the next type numbers, which is odd numbers. This is also we know we learned in the previous classes the numbers which are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. Now here in this case in the even numbers, the numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers, but here it is opposite of that, where a number is ending with this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 digits, that is called odd number. Now let us see the examples of this. What are that? 219. See, the number is ending with what? 9, and 9 is belongs to what number? Odd number. And next take another number 313. Here the number is ending with what number? 3. So 3 is belongs to what numbers? Odd numbers or even numbers? Odd numbers. So this number 313 is called odd number. And now like take 215. Here the number is ending with what? 5. So where the numbers are ending with 1 comma 3, 5, 9, that numbers are called odd numbers. So we know these are the basic numbers. We know this, we are learning this from the childhood. So now let us move a little bit more. What is that? The next number is prime numbers. The next number is prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are nothing but the number which is having only two factors. Yesterday we learned the concept of factors and multiples. Now it is about prime number is depends on the factors of a number. Where a number having only two factors, that is called prime number. For example, see here 1, 1 not 1. Here see here 2. 2 is having how many factors? 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 1. That means it has how many factors? Only 1 and 2. More than this, 2 is not having any other than these numbers. So 2 is called what? The prime number. Like this 3, take 3, 1 into 3 and 3 into 1. So 3 comma 1 are the factors. Yesterday we learned that factor is nothing but when you are multiplying a number with another number, we are getting an answer. So what numbers are being multiplied? These two numbers are called factors. So here these are the factors of 2 and 3, and these are having only two numbers, two factors, that are called, where a number having only two factors, that is called prime number. Now let us move to the next number, which is composite number. Which is composite number. This is nothing but where a number having more than two factors, that is called composite number. That means, for example, see here take number 15, and what are the factors, and what are the factors of 15? On multiplying what numbers you will get 15? We know that in one table 15 times 1 15s 15, and 3 5s 15, and 5 3s 15, and 15 ones 15. That means what are the factors of 15? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. So when you are getting more than two factors for a number, that number is called composite number. So here 15 is what? Composite number, and here 2 and these 3 are what? Prime number. Clear? So prime number is nothing but having only two factors, and composite number is nothing but having more than two factors. That is called prime and composite numbers. Now next move a little bit. What is that? Next number is twin prime. Next one is twin prime number. See, we know that twin. See, we heard the word twin. Twin means what? Two. So twin prime means what? Where in between of any two prime numbers having the difference of two is called what? Twin prime number. See one example. See here we know the prime numbers now. 1, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are all we know, these are all prime numbers. Why? Because these numbers have only two factors. So if you observe, what is the difference between 2 and 3? Difference means subtracting. When you subtract, if you get 2, that means the two numbers are twin primes. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. The difference between 3 and 2 is 1. This is not twin prime. But whereas when you subtract this 3 and 5, what difference will you get? We get absolutely the 2. Difference is the 2. So here 3 and 5 are twin primes. These are what? Twin primes. Like that, see here 5 and 7 also twin primes. Why? When you subtract the 7 minus 5, we get the difference of 2. So where you are getting the difference of 2 in between any two prime numbers, then that prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. Now same, see the difference between 11 and 7, what? 4. So this is not twin prime number. But whereas if you observe 11 minus 13, sorry, 13 minus 11, these two also are called as twin prime. What is this? Twin prime. So these are twin prime numbers. Now next type of number is there, that is co-prime. That is co-prime. Co-prime means what? Co-prime means what? Nothing but in the given set of the numbers, or else take any two numbers or three numbers, in the taken numbers where having one is only as common factor, that is called co-prime numbers. Now let us see with an example. For example, take 3, 5 and find the common factors, or find a number which divides both. Find a number which divides both. So if you find the factors of 1 and 3 and 3 is 1 comma 3. The factors of 3 is 1 comma 3, and the factors of 5 is 1 comma 5. So if you observe, what is the common number we have here? Only 1. Only 1. So where you got common factor other than 1, where you got common factor other than 1, that is not called as co-prime. But when you got only 1 as the common factor in the given number sets, that is co-prime numbers. So these are what the different types of numbers, which was the basic concept for the mathematics. Now let us move to the next concept, which is prime factorization. Prime factorization. As in the name itself, it is telling prime. We know that prime means prime numbers. Factorization means finding the factors, and finding what factors? Prime factors. So in the name itself, it is telling find the prime factors of any given number. Find the prime factors of any given number. So here, take an example of 32. Take an example of 32. So here we have to find the prime factorization. The prime factorization. So as I said in the name itself, it is asking to find the prime factors only. To find the prime factors only of that number. So how to find out the prime factors? We have to start from the smallest prime number. So what is the smallest prime number? 1. 1 is the smallest prime number? No. 1 have only one factor. But here for the prime number, what is the rule? What is the condition? It have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. But here what is the smallest prime number? 2. So start with 2. Start with 2. So if you take 2 and 32, so in 2 table 32 how many times? 16 times. And next in 2 table how many times? 8 times. In 2 table 8 how many times? 4 times. In 2 table it is 2 times. And in 2 table it is 1 time. So this is what finding prime factorization. If you observe, these are all what only primes or not? 2 is prime or not? Are we getting any other number than prime number? No. So finding the factors, this side of numbers are called factors, and these are the multiples of these factors. So what is the prime factorization of 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we should not include this one. Why? Because this is not prime. We are doing prime factorization. So we are not consider, we should not consider that one. So here if you observe 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So this is what the prime factorization of any other number. So these are the concepts for today which are given in your class 5 mathematics textbook, and these are the main important concepts which are basics for the next grades. So I hope that you people understood the concept of today's session. And if you found this video, if you like this video, share this video with your friends, with your classmates, and with your besties. And until the next video, stay tuned to our channel, Maths with Khadar sir.